Good morning, students. This is Pinky Yadav from Suraj School, Mahendragarh, and today we will learn the remaining part of voice. Voice is going on in our class, and today we will discuss next type of tense or next type of sentences. Like today we will learn present, not present. In last video I told you how can we change into passive, present, indefinite, continuous and perfect. We have already discussed, and today we will discuss past indefinite. Past indefinite tense. In past indefinite, in active we will find the structure. In active we will find subject plus V2 plus object. We will already get this structure, subject plus V2 plus object. And in passive we have to change into, or we have to follow the structure subject plus was verb plus V3 plus by plus object. We have to follow this structure whenever we change active into passive. Like yes, I water the plants. I water the plants. Here water, it is V1. V1 it means it is present indefinite tense, and we are talking about past indefinite tense. And I have given example here V1. V1 है तो it means ये present indefinite है, and we have to change into किसमें क्या बनाना है? We have to follow past indefinite को हमने passive में change करना है. So we will write here watered. I watered the plants. मैंने पौधों में पानी दिया. राइट. सब्जेक्ट V2 एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट को बिगनिंग में ले आएंगे, चेंज करेंगे तो वी हैव टू फॉलो दिस स्ट्रक्चर. द प्लांट्स एंड देन वॉज वर. प्लांट्स प्लूरल है तो व्हाट वी विल यूज? वॉज और वर. प्लूरल है तो हम वर यूज करेंगे. राइट. प्लांट्स were, and then V3. Plants were watered, and then by I. What is the objective case of I? Me. And full stop. So this is the example of active into past indefinite, and in which we have changed active into passive. Active में हमें already मिलेगा subject plus V2 plus object, and change करके we have to follow this structure. We will, according to this structure, we will change this structure or the sentence into this structure. Next. Now we will discuss negative sentence. Negative में what we will get? Active में हमें क्या मिलेगा? Active. In active subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object. We will get this structure and change into passive. Subject plus was verb plus not plus V3 plus by plus object. Whenever we have sentence of past indefinite negative, then we will get this structure subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object, and change किसमें करना है? We have to change into subject plus was verb plus not plus V3 plus by plus object, and full stop. Look. Ram did not attend his class. Ram did not attend his class. Subject, helping verb, main verb and object. राम ने अपनी क्लास अटेंड नहीं की. राम डिड नॉट अटेंड. डोंट कंफ्यूज दैट, आई टोल्ड यू कि एक्टिव में आपके पास यहाँ पर एफर्मेटिव टाइप में V2 मिलता है, बट इट इज निगेटिव, निगेटिव है तो निगेटिव में हमें V1 मिला। V1 क्यों मिला? बिकॉज ऑफ हमने हेल्पिंग वर्ब V2 में कर दिया है, डू, डिड, डन। सो यहाँ पर हमने डिड यूज किया, दैट्स वाई आई हैव यूज्ड हियर V1। एंड नाउ वी विल चेंज इनटू पैसिव, हिज क्लास, हिज क्लास वॉज, क्लास सिंगुलर है, वॉज नॉट, हिज क्लास वॉज नॉट अटेंडेड, थर्ड फॉर्म, अटेंडेड बाय राम। व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ऑफ राम? राम का हम ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या करेंगे? राम सब्जेक्टिव में भी एज इट इज रहेगा, एज इट इज हम इसको ऑब्जेक्टिव में यूज कर देंगे, बाय राम, राइट। हिज क्लास वॉज नॉट अटेंडेड बाय राम. So this is example of negative past indefinite and it is past indefinite affirmative type. And then now we will discuss interrogative type. Yes, in interrogative we will find did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Question mark must be there. How can we change? Did को किस में चेंज करेंगे? was were, was were plus object का subject बना देंगे plus V third plus by plus object plus question mark. Look at blackboard and I am giving here example of interrogative sentence in past indefinite. Interrogative sentence. Did you write this story? Question mark. Did you write this story? Did मिला हमें subject and then V1 and then object and then question mark. Now we will change into passive. Passive में change करेंगे. This is object, subject and main verb. Object को beginning में लाएंगे, but before subject we have to use was were according to the structure. This is the structure which we have to follow whenever we change into passive in past indefinite, right? So this story, it is it singular or plural? It is this story singular. Singular है तो हम was यूज करेंगे, was this story, was this story, third form of right, written, was this story written by you. What is the objective case of you? You. I already told you. Question mark. Was this story written by you? So like this there are so many examples you can practice and you can learn by these examples. There are so many examples. So it is the example of a negative sentence in past indefinite, and we have discussed affirmative, negative and interrogative in past indefinite, right? This is all for today.